Hey guys, are you tired of promoting other people's brands and only earning a fraction of the revenue you deserve? Do you find yourself covering the cost of advertising and marketing for brands that aren't even yours? Well, we have exciting news for you. Introducing your one-stop shop to create a white label supplement brand. A revolutionary business model that allows you to fully monetize your network, your audience, and the niches you have worked so hard to cultivate. Now, you can keep 100% of your profit margins. You know, our partners includes existing supplement brands, fitness coaches, gym and fitness studio owners, digital marketers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, health and fitness influencers, and Amazon FBA entrepreneurs, doctors, chiropractors, and people just getting started with e-commerce and nutrition. And also, if you would like to make working from home, then this is the great opportunity for you. As you know, many people have been promoting and selling other people's brands for years, but now they can fully monetize their networks and audiences. No more settling for a fraction of the revenue. It's time to take control of your business. With our brand new business model, you can create your own white label supplement brand without the hustle of buying upfront inventory. Imagine having your brand, your products, and keeping 100% of the profit margins. So you are wondering, how does it work? Click the button down below to see a step-by-step breakdown of our white label supplement program and discover how you can finally turn your passion for fitness, health, and entrepreneurship into a lucrative venture. So don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business and maximize your earnings. Click the button now and take the first step towards financial freedom with our white label supplement program. Meet you inside. Have a great day.